What if I told you your summer garden could still be packed with fresh vegetables even if you have not planted a single seed yet? Yes, even in June. Most people think they have missed the planting window, but here's the truth. Some of the easiest, fastest, and most productive crops actually grow better when planted right now. So before you give up on summer gardening, listen closely because your best harvest might still be ahead. Whether you are working with raised beds, containers, or just a sunny corner of your yard, I am going to show you the top 35 heat-loving vegetables and herbs you can plant today and enjoy all season long. Let us get growing. Whether you are growing in a big backyard or just a few pots on a sunny balcony, there are plenty of crops that love the summer heat and grow fast. Stay with me until the end because I am sharing the top 35 vegetables and herbs you can plant this June for a harvest that will keep giving all summer long. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best heat-loving crops you can plant in June, even if you are just getting started. These picks work for all kinds of gardeners, whether you have a raised bed, a backyard patch, or just some containers on the porch. You will discover fast-growing vegetables, flavorful herbs, and even a few bonus crops that are perfect for hot weather. So grab your gloves and let us dig in. June might seem late to start planting, but it is actually one of the best times for certain crops. The soil is warm, the days are long, and plants grow faster with steady sunshine. Some vegetables love the heat. They thrive when the weather stays hot and the ground holds warmth overnight. That means quicker germination, faster growth, and shorter time to harvest. Also, pests and disease pressure can be easier to handle when plants grow quickly and stay healthy. So whether you are filling in bare spots or just getting your summer garden going, June is a great time to plant. Plus, the crops we're going to talk about today are tried and true summer stars. They do not mind the heat, and they will keep your garden productive through July, August, and even into early fall. Let us kick off the list with 10 summer vegetables that love the heat and grow well when planted in June. 1. Okra. This is a true heat lover. Once it starts growing, it takes off fast. Plant seeds directly in the soil and keep it watered until it gets established. 2. Zucchini. Zucchini grows fast and gives you loads of harvest. Just make sure it gets full sun and space to spread. 3. Bush beans. These are quick to grow and perfect for a second planting in June. They love the warmth and give you beans in about 6 weeks. 4. Cucumbers. Cucumbers thrive in hot soil and climb well on a trellis. Start from seeds or young plants and keep the soil moist. 5. Eggplant. This one loves heat and sunlight. If your spring eggplant struggled, now is your second chance. 6. Sweet corn. If you have space, sweet corn planted in June still has time to grow tall and produce ears before summer ends. 7. Cherry tomatoes. They grow fast and ripen quickly. Choose heat-tolerant varieties and give them full sun. 8. Hot peppers. Peppers love warm nights. Plant them in containers or garden beds with rich soil and good drainage. 9. Malabar spinach. Unlike regular spinach, this tropical vine thrives in heat and humidity. Perfect for trellises. 10. Summer squash. Like zucchini, summer squash is a strong grower that gives a steady harvest with enough water and sunshine. Wait! Do not go anywhere. We are just getting started. The next crops on this list are perfect if you want fast results, smaller plants for tight spaces, or fresh herbs that bring amazing flavor to your meals. Even if you have already planted some things this year, adding a few of these heat-loving herbs can take your summer garden to the next level. Let us jump into the herb section next. You will be glad you stuck around. These herbs are made for warm days and full sun. Here are 10 that grow great when planted in June. 1. Basil. Basil loves heat and grows fast. Keep trimming the tops to get more leaves. 2. Oregano. A sturdy herb that likes dry soil and full sun. Perfect for summer cooking. 3. Thyme. Grows low and slow, but loves warm weather. Great for containers or between stepping stones. 4. Chives. Easy to grow and adds a mild onion flavor to meals. It handles heat well with some shade. 5. Lemon balm. A fresh-smelling herb that likes part sun. Keep it trimmed to stop it from spreading too much. 6. Rosemary. Strong and woody, rosemary does great in hot, dry spots. Needs very little care once established. 7. Sage. Soft, fuzzy leaves with strong flavor. Needs sun and well-drained soil. 8. Cilantro. June is a bit warm for cilantro, but you can grow it in partial shade or try slow bolt types. 9. Dill. Grows fast and adds flavor to salads and pickles. Try planting it every few weeks for a steady supply. 10. Mint. Plant in a pot unless you want it to take over. It grows quickly and loves warm soil. If you're short on time or just want to see quick progress, these 5 crops grow fast in summer heat. 1. Radishes. Ready in as little as 3 weeks. Plant them in batches every couple of weeks. 2. Green onions, also called bunching onions. They grow fast and do not take up much space. 3. Arugula, a leafy green with a peppery taste. Best in part, shade to slow it from going to seed. 4. Baby lettuce. Cut and come again, types grow quickly. Keep them watered to stop them from getting bitter. 5. Tatsua, an Asian green that grows well even in heat. Mild flavor and tender leaves. These crops are great if you want to see results fast or need to fill small gaps in your garden. Now, here's the fun part: the last 10 crops are the ones many people forget about. They are not always the first choices, but they grow amazingly well in summer and can boost your harvest in ways you might not expect. If you want to grow something a little different or just get more from your garden, you will want to plant a few of these. These final 10 crops bring variety, strong growth, and a touch of surprise to your garden. 1. Yard-long beans, also called snake beans. These love heat and grow super long pods. 2. Cowpeas. Great for hot climates. Also improves soil while it grows. 3. Amaranth. The leaves are edible and the plant handles heat with no problem. 4. Roselle. A type of hibiscus used for drinks and jams. Grows best in hot weather. 5. New Zealand spinach. Not true spinach, but tastes similar and thrives in heat. 6. Southern peas. Another name for black-eyed peas. Grow strong in heat and dry soil. 7. Peanuts. Yes, you can grow peanuts at home. They need full sun and loose soil. 8. Purslane. Often seen as a weed, but edible and full of nutrients. Grows without fuss. 9. Lemongrass. Great for cooking and makes a good garden border. Loves hot, sunny days. 10. Basil. Different from sweet basil, with a stronger flavor and great heat tolerance. Before we wrap up, here are a few friendly tips to help your garden thrive this month. Water early in the morning to keep plants cool and reduce stress. Add mulch to hold in moisture and keep weeds down. Use compost or slow-release fertilizer to feed your plants as they grow. And do not forget to check your garden often. Look for bugs, signs of wilting, or anything unusual. A little attention now can save a lot of work later. So, there you go, 35 amazing crops you can plant in June to build a strong, productive summer garden. Let me know in the comments which ones you're growing or planning to try. If you liked this list, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple gardening tips every week. Thanks for spending time with me today. Happy planting, and I will see you in the next video.